ObamaCare is taking heavy fire once again tonight from a prominent Democrat. Minnesota Governor Mark Dayton was an early champion of the Affordable Care Act. Now he joins others in the president's own party who are jumping ship. Correspondent Rich Edson is here to tell us what brought about the change. Good evening, Rich.
Good evening, Brett. And to save the Obamacare market in Minnesota, insurance companies say they need massive premium increases next year as they are losing hundreds of millions of dollars. And now the state's governor, a Democrat, says buying Obamacare insurance for many in Minnesota is just too expensive.
The reality is the Affordable Care Act is no longer affordable to increasing numbers of people. Minnesota is not alone in this. There are many other states that have experienced significant increases.
Minnesota insurance officials have approved premium increases from 50 to nearly 67% for individual plans next year. Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Minnesota, the state's largest insurer, is significantly reducing its Obamacare presence, claiming, quote, based on current medical claim trends, Blue Cross is projecting a total loss of more than $500 million in the individual segment over 3 years. Governor Mark Dayton's acknowledgement in Minnesota matches former President Bill Clinton's in Michigan. He detailed problems for Americans who receive small or no subsidies to buy insurance, saying that leads to a crazy system with premiums doubled and coverage cut in half. And one health policy analyst says the Minnesota and Michigan experiences are problems nationwide.
The whole country is watching what's going on with Obamacare and the exchanges because everybody knows that you're just one paycheck away from being in Obamacare. So it's a big deal. And the people who aren't getting subsidies are just getting hammered by these rate increases.
The Obama administration points to the roughly 85% of Obamacare shoppers receiving some government subsidy to help pay these massive increases. In Minnesota, the administration refers to the state exchange, claiming, quote, as premiums increase, so does the amount of tax credits available to Minnesotans, meaning that in many cases, tax credits can lessen or completely eliminate large premium increases. Though that costs the government more money, and millions nationwide buy these individual plans without those subsidies, meaning they pay the full cost of these increases. That's why Democrats are now calling for more generous subsidies, the reinstatement of a provision that spreads the insurance company losses across the industry and federal government, and the introduction of a government-run insurance entity known as the public option. Brett?
Continue to follow this. Rich, thank you.